Hello, my name is Ryan McLaughlin, Chef de Cuisine at K Restaurant. Today we are going to make our pork belly Benedict for you. First, we have our pork belly, which we are going to drop in the fryer, 350 degrees. Going with it, we have Michelle Hulbert's biscuits, and then we also have our poached eggs. And then for our hollandaise, we have these beautiful Scotch bonnet peppers and some other chilies from Waterkiss Farms, which we make a hot sauce out of to add to our hollandaise. I'm going to drop these eggs. Found it's easier when you are poaching eggs to put them in a ramekin or small vessel as opposed to trying to crack them over the water and dump them in. And then while our eggs are poaching and our pork belly is getting crispy, we will heat our biscuit. And it is a traditional hollandaise. My ratio for that is 3 to 1, 3 parts clarified butter, 1 part egg yolks. You can leave it plain or you can make it hot sauce hollandaise like we do. It's how hot you want it. And after these are fried, as anything comes out of the fryer, it always gets seasoned right away. It's when it's best ready. We'll set that aside for 1 second. Pull our biscuit. Just cut it in half. It's a nice. Let me take our pork belly. Let's double check our eggs. I usually go about 2.5, 3 minutes. That's where I like them, nice and runny. You know, not too loose. Poaching eggs is a lot easier than most people think, though. You always use a slotted spoon when taking them out. That helps so you don't get some of the water. And then depending on how seasoned your water is, you can always season them a little bit more just to be on the safe side. I'm setting them on this metal platter. Another trick for people to do at home, because you can see there's water on here that came with it. A nice simple trick is to use a piece of bread on a plate, and you put the egg on the piece of bread and it absorbs all the water. Makes it a little easier to work with. Then we get to add a rich hollandaise. As much or as little as you like. This one's a heavy dish, so we do go a little overboard with it. And then we garnish it. Usually we have a little bit of chili oil, which we make in-house. And then we also have some chive oil, just to give it a little color. And then we have radish greens today from Waterkiss Farms. Sometimes we'll use microgreens or just cut chives, whatever we have. So we put something with a little bit of health in it, some vegetables on top. There it is, our take on the pork belly on the Benedict, which is a little bit of southern twist with pork belly and hot sauce hollandaise.